Hello. I'm going to show you how to build a front-end only app in Hyperclay. So first of all, this is the prompt that I wrote for it. This is meant for agents. So I'm going to copy it into Cloud Code and paste it there. And I also made it very readable for humans. So you can go through this and read this, especially this introductory section, and get an idea of how the Hyperclay app development cycle works. These are the two parts I really want to focus on. So first of all, I made Hyperclay because I think that the design of an interface is the most important part. It's what the user interacts with. It's what they see as the first thing. So if they understand it right away and they get it, they're going to use your app. They're going to get value from it, and they're going to be able to do what they want to accomplish in it. So that's the first thing that I always want you to focus on when you're first starting to build a Hyperclay app. And it's the thing that I think Hyperclay enables really quickly. So let's switch back to the prompt and voila. Great. And after about 59 seconds, we have the full app designed, and it's just the design layer. So let's open that up in a browser. And you'll notice this is on localhost. So I'm using the Hyperclay local app to build this app locally. And at first, we're not going to have anything designed because it needs to be saved first. So I'm going to trigger a save. So actually, maybe I can just do Hyperclay, save, page force. And then if I refresh, we should get the Tailwind styles generated for us automatically. And that'll just take a second. Great. And now this looks pretty nice. So we've got draggable handle. We've got the 3-dot menu. We've got this menu for resizing it. And so it's not perfect, but I'm going to say that looks pretty good. So I'm going to say do phase 2 and 3. And while that's happening, let's just go back here real quick. So the next part of building a Hyperclay app is adding behavior. So this is how your user is going to actually interact with your app and modify the page. And you can do this with vanilla JS, you can do it with React, you can use jQuery, but Hyperclay comes with this nice Hyperclay JS library. And if you go to hyperclayjs.com, you'll be able to see it has a lot of nice utilities that hook into the save system, that allow you to switch between edit mode and view mode, and just some like nice DOM helpers and option visibility helpers. So do check that out, but you're not required to use that. All you really have to do is make it so that the user, when they click a button or they type some text in a text area, that it actually updates the document. As long as that's true, you're going to have a front-end only app, and Hyperclay is going to build it so that the document just updates itself and treats the document as the source of truth. Okay, so voila, we should have the next section done. Okay, so that took a tiny bit longer than expected, but 4 minutes and 30 seconds, and all of the behavior that we specified in this document has been added. So now we can refresh this page, and we should be able to move around these cards and change the status here and save the page. And when we refresh, everything should be updated. And we can even delete this card and refresh the page, and that's going to be updated. So that's pretty sweet. This is a front-end only app. It's only HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And we're using the document state to handle the style, the behavior, and the design, which is really cool. And if I open this up on the live platform, because I have syncing on in Hyperclay local, it's actually syncing this to the live platform. And if I, let's just do a regular zoom here. If I update a card here adding 1, 2, 3, and I move this card over here. Then after it saves, it should sync straight to the platform. And boom. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and we've got this card moved over there. And the cool thing is that I can also share this with anonymous people. So I can enable sharing here, and I can get a link and open this up in an incognito window. And then if I update this again and save it, then if I switch back to another tab, it is also updated there, and it's even updated locally, which is really, really cool. So I can't wait to see what malleable HTML files you build that are collaborative and shareable and editable. Bye.